Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely superb Indian FTR Special Edition. Here we have an Indian FTR Stealth Grey Special Edition. This is a 2023 bike on a 23 plate with just 1,772 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history. This bike is in immaculate condition and comes, as the name would suggest, in the Stealth Grey paintwork. One of only 150 made in this colourway. And it looks absolutely superb for it. No damage to the bar end, the lever or the mirror there. It's all in excellent condition. The paintwork likewise there, all looking really good. Radiator cover, again, looking absolutely superb. All your exhaust, fantastic. It's got the Akrapovič twin silencers, of course, being the special edition. And the rear wheel is unmarked, just like the rest of this bike, as is the swinging arm there. The rear tyre, bags of life left in that one. Back of the bike's all good, the grab rails and the seat, absolutely superb condition. The rear shock there, all absolutely spotless. Lovely trellis frame there as well. Absolutely no corrosion anywhere on the bike at all, as you'd expect for a machine that's just under 2 years old. You've got the fly screen fitted there as well, which is really nice, a really nice addition, because obviously the bike's quite fast, 123 horsepower. Flat track style, loads and loads of fun. Front mudguard's all in great condition, as is the front wheel there, as you can see. And the front tyre, loads of life left in that one as well. It said no stone chips in the headlamp or the surround. The left-hand side of the bike, again, in absolutely superb condition. Again, with no damage to the mirror, bar end or the lever. Indicators and your front forks, likewise, all good. Of course, the bike does come with anti-lock brakes, traction control. TFT dash. And it's in excellent condition, as you can see on the engine, and the petrol tank and frame on this left hand side, all in superb order. Foot peg's good as well, and the swing arm there, super shiny. Standard back end on this one as well, and the rear wheel all good, as you can see, just in there, absolutely as clean as a whistle. No rips or tears in either the rear seat or the front seat, albeit one piece. Petrol tank there, all in fantastic condition. There is your colour dash. You've got cruise control as well on this superb bike. So if you are looking for a flat track motorcycle that's just bags and bags of fun, look no further than this absolutely beautiful Indian FTR Stealth Grey Special Edition. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come on a current MOT. The service is required by the motorcycle at time of sale and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this fantastic FTR, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. I'd be delighted to take an inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.